Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create this sticker vector graphic with curl. So let's get started. First I'm going to delete these. I'll select them with Ctrl A, then delete key. Next I'll grab this tool to create a circle holding down the Control key. Then I'm going to grab the select and transform tool, click on this lock, and then type here 650 pixels. Next I'm going to create a rectangle using this tool, click and drag, change the color to red, then I'll change the height to 96 pixels. With the select and transform tool, holding down the shift key, I'm going to select the circle. I'll start the align and distribute objects tool, relative to last selected, and I'll use this option align bottom edges. Next, with these two objects selected, I'll go to the edit menu and choose duplicate. Next I'll click away, then click on the rectangle, holding down the shift key I'll add to the selection, clicking on the circle, then go to the path menu and select intersection. Next I'm going to click on the rectangle again, click on the circle, go to the path menu and select difference. I'll select this object and change the color to red for now, then use this option to flip the selected object vertically. Then again holding down the shift key, I'm going to add to the selection this object and use this option align bottom edges. Next I'll click away, then select the red object, click on this option to unlock it, and then for the height I'll type 78 pixels. From this option I'll start the fill and stroke tool, then I'll select linear gradient, I'll click on the edit option. First thing I want to do here is to add two more stops, so I'll click on this option twice. Then I'm going to make sure I have the first stop selected, and I'm going to copy a color, and then I'm going to paste it here. And this is a gray color, you can see the code if you want to use it. Next I'll select the second stop and change the color to white. Also turn this alpha all the way up to 255 and also change the offset to 0.44. Next I'll select the third stop, and here again I'm going to copy a color and paste it here and change the offset to 0.7. And for the last stop again I'm going to copy a color, select the fourth stop and paste the code here. So I'm going to close this and zoom in a little bit. Next I'll grab the node tool, select these two nodes and click on this option to add one in the middle. I'm going to click on it to select it and make this node symmetric, and I'm going to drag it out just a little bit like this, and then I'm going to click on one of the handles and drag like this. Next I'll select this tool, create and edit gradients, and I'm going to grab this and position it around here. Then I'll grab the end stop of the gradient, hold down the Control key and position it. Then I'll click on the select and transform tool and click away to see how this looks. And that's it for this part. I'll continue in part 2. Link will be in the description as soon as the video is uploaded. And that's it for this one. Bye.